evolution has furnished many different species. We're now finding it in bumblebees, but many different species, the ability to learn by observing or interacting with other individuals. And it's a route to learning the flexibility that allows individuals to adapt to a wide range of environments. So actually making a fire in Tanzania with sticks, you have to do it differently in Southern Africa because you have different wood. We need fire to live, but there's no instinctive knowledge of how to make that fire because it's different everywhere in the world. So you have to learn those things.
The death mother archetype is cross-cultural. I've just chosen a few examples here. One is La Llorona from Latin American folklore. The most popular version of her story was that she was a young mother and her husband betrayed her with another woman. She's driven mad by this betrayal and she takes her toddlers and drowns them in the river. And when she comes out of her madness and she realizes what she's done, she attempts to drown herself, but she fails. So she's forced to wander the river, weeping and wailing for her gone children.